Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best cordless tool kit is probably one of the most versatile and convenient additions to any workshop or home toolbox, offering unmatched freedom and efficiency for a wide array of tasks, from intricate woodworking projects to heavy-duty repairs. This comprehensive guide will help you navigate the world of cordless tool kits and find the perfect fit for your needs and budget, ensuring you make an informed decision based on power, battery life, included tools, and overall value. Number 5. DEWALT 10-Tool Combo Kit DCK1020D2. This kit is a game-changer for any serious DIYer or professional. It has everything you need to tackle any job, big or small. It features a high-speed transmission with 2 speeds for versatile fastening and drilling. You'll get the job done quickly and efficiently. This impact driver has a one-handed loading system for its 1/4-inch hex chuck. Changing bits is a breeze. Its keyless blade clamp makes blade changes fast and safe. No more fumbling with tools. This LED flashlight illuminates your work area with 110 lumens. It's bright enough for any job, day or night. Stay cool and comfortable on the job site with its powerful airflow. It's a must-have for hot days. It cuts through 2x4s at a 45-degree angle in one pass. This saw is built for speed and precision. It runs on DEWALT 12V20V max batteries and has Bluetooth 4.0 for your favorite tunes. Enjoy your work even more. The kit comes with 2 powerful 20V batteries and a fast charger, so you'll always be ready to work. No downtime. This comprehensive kit has all the tools you need to complete any project. Get yours today. What we like. This kit comes with a wide range of tools and 2 batteries for longer use. The included bright LED light is perfect for working in low-light conditions. If you need a comprehensive set for various tasks and value long working hours, this is the kit for you. What people say. A cornucopia of 20-volt DEWALT battery-operated tools that are top quality and reliable. Comes with starter sample blades, batteries, a charger and really nice DEWALT zippered tote bags to get you going right away. So many tools, some of which I never thought I would need, but surprisingly, I have used every single tool. Great quality, long-lasting battery power. This is a great way to jump into this model. Purchasing bundle tools will always give you better pricing, and this bundle is no different. This is a great value. I've used the circular saw, oscillating saw, vacuum, blower, and drill driver with no issues. It's DEWALT quality in my opinion. Number 4. Porter-Cable PCCK617L6 Combo Kit. This kit is a game-changer for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. It's packed with power and versatility, making any project easier. It boasts 283 watts of power, a 2-speed gearbox for precision, and a compact design that's easy to handle. The built-in LED light ensures you can work in any condition. This impact driver delivers 1,450 Nlbs of torque, making quick work of even the toughest jobs. Its quick-release chuck makes changing bits a breeze. With its high-performance motor and 5-to-1/2-inch blade, it cuts through wood with ease. The beveling shoe allows for precise angled cuts up to 50 degrees. It features a powerful drivetrain for smooth cutting, a tool-free blade release for quick changes, and variable speed for ultimate control. And as a bonus, this kit includes a free USB device, adding extra convenience to your workflow. Get yours today. What we like. Get a great value with this 6-tool kit and a bonus USB device. It's compact and easy to handle. If you're looking for a versatile kit without breaking the bank and appreciate space-saving features, this is a great option. What people say. Having a complete set of tools that all use the same battery makes it very convenient. The impact driver works flawlessly and drives screws quickly. The reciprocating saw is sweet. This little gem may well be the best tool in the pack. With the right blade for the material you are cutting, it is much more controllable than bigger units, smaller and easy to wield, and powerful, and it has variable speed settings which make it easy to cut through anything with precision. Number 3. DEWALT DCK661D1M1 Combo Kit. This kit is a game changer for any DIY enthusiast or professional. It's got everything you need to tackle various projects with ease and efficiency. It's compact and lightweight, perfect for those hard-to-reach spots. Its powerful motor tackles even the toughest jobs. This impact driver is also incredibly compact, making it ideal for tight spaces. It delivers impressive power for driving screws quickly and efficiently. With its keyless blade clamp, changing blades is quick and easy. It's perfect for demolition and cutting various materials. This saw's powerful motor cuts through 2x4s at a 45-degree angle with ease. It's a must-have for any serious DIY project. It provides high-power cutting and grinding up to 8,000 RPM. It's versatile and powerful for various applications. This multi-tool has a 3-speed selector, giving you precise control for any task. It's incredibly versatile and efficient. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to tackle any project. Get yours today and experience the DEWALT difference. What we like. This kit boasts a powerful motor in a compact design, perfect for tight spaces. It's ideal if you prioritize power and maneuverability in a smaller package. If you need a powerful and compact set of tools, this is the one for you. What people say. I am a handyman and use my tools daily. I rely heavily on my power tools and DEWALT does not let me down. My first set of DEWALT cordless tools was over 20 years ago. Those were used hard and mostly put up wet. Finally needed to break sewn and buy a new set. The old ones have been gifted to my son. I am impressed with the many improvements that DEWALT has made in all the tools. Smaller, lighter and more compact than the old ones. Better torque and power on all levels. Good quality and smart choice of items. Number 2. Portacable PCCK 619L8 Combo Kit. This 6-tool combo kit is your solution for various tasks. It's lightweight and powerful, making any job easier. It delivers the power you need to tackle a wide range of applications. Experience the difference of professional-grade performance. These lightweight tools are designed to fit comfortably in your hands, reducing fatigue during extended use. They're built for comfort and efficiency. This comprehensive kit includes a drill driver, impact driver, circular saw, reciprocating saw, jigsaw, multi-tool, grinder, flashlight, 2 batteries, a charger, and 2 convenient bags for storage and transport. From drilling to cutting, this kit has you covered. It's the ultimate toolset for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With its powerful motor and ergonomic design, it's the perfect tool for any project, big or small. Get yours today. What we like. This kit includes 8 tools and comes with 2 batteries for extended use. It also offers a wide variety of accessories. If you need a comprehensive set with extra power and accessories, this is the kit for you. What people say. Purchased these in 2017. They are stored in my garage that fluctuates in temperature from below freezing to hot humid summers. The tools still work great today. All tools are powerful and ergonomically designed. Love this powerful complete set. Premium quality, they look and feel great and perform like pro-quality power tools should. Number 1. DEPSTECH Cordless Rotary Tool A1L. It boasts a powerful motor and 5 variable speeds, ranging from 5,000 to 30,000 RPM. This lets you tackle various materials with ease and precision. The upgraded 2.5Ah battery offers 30% longer runtime, so you can work longer without interruption. Plus, it's cordless for ultimate freedom and convenience. It features a built-in LED work light to illuminate your workspace, ensuring you always have excellent visibility, even in low-light conditions. The auto-locking protection enhances safety and longevity. It also has a 5-minute memory function, remembering your last used speed for seamless restarts. This tool is lightweight and easy to handle, perfect for extended use. Its ergonomic design and soft rubber grip provide comfort and control. The ergonomic design with anti-slip grip ensures comfort and control, even during prolonged use. Ventilation holes help to dissipate heat and extend its lifespan. It comes with 47 versatile accessories, stored in a convenient case, for a wide range of applications. From carving and polishing to sanding and drilling, it's ready for any project. What we like. This rotary tool offers 5 variable speeds and a powerful motor for precision and efficiency. The LED work light enhances visibility. If you are looking for a versatile, powerful rotary tool with precise speed control, this is the perfect choice for your DIY projects. What people say. The motor is a beast. I work a lot with stock reduction of stainless steel, and with my carbide burrs, this thing cuts through 304 like butter while the vibration stays very low. The ergonomics are very well thought out. It's a bit longer than most in this power range, and it helps tremendously when doing fine detail work. The light attachment is made without threads and can be turned to cast light where you need it without the body getting in the way. My favorite physical feature, however, is the spindle lock button. This is never a problem with this tool, as they have designed it such that the spindle lock cannot be engaged while the power button is slid to the on position. The battery life is simply phenomenal. As is the charging time. It actually charges far more quickly than the 4V Dremel light. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.